Today, I am going to show you how to create a transparent gradient effect in Canva. This effect looks really clean and professional, and you can use it for thumbnails, posters, or social media designs. Let's get started. Alright, first open any size you want to work with. I'll choose a custom size, 1280 by 720 pixels. You can choose any size you want. Now the first step is to add a gradient color to the background. You can add any custom gradient color, or choose one from the presets. I'll choose this color. You can adjust it from here and even change the linear style if you want. Now let's make it a little transparent by adding one more color stop. I'll set the second color's transparency to 60%. Next, add the photo you want to apply the faded effect on. Fill it into the canvas and adjust its position. Now we need to install an app, and don't worry, we'll only use the free features only. Go to Apps and search for Image Blender. Now select your image, then choose Fade, and select Linear. Now the points will appear on your photo. Adjust these points however you want the image to fade. You can also use the strength slider to make the fade harder or softer. Once you're happy with the customization, click Save to apply the changes, and the fade is now added to your image. And if you want to change the background color later, simply go to Position, select the background, and change the color. It's that simple. And that's how you create a transparent gradient effect in Canva, completely step by step. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials every week.